add this one to the list. It's pages and pages of memories, but I know you don't give a shh. I thought that writing about a breakup would help me get over it, but now I know it only hurts. I thought you'd be the one for me, but I guess it was make-believe. We went from perfect to so estranged, so I sit here and medicate. I'm so tired of feeling sad every time I pick up my pen to write something about you. So this will be the last song. I won't make it too long. Time to fix the pain, yeah. Get you out my brain, yeah. See you at the skyline in another lifetime. Open that you'll savor everything I